The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress has been a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force for nearly 70 years, and now it's set for a massive upgrade that will keep it flying potentially for 100 years. The new engine choice for the B-52H has stunned the military industry. Let's dive into why this is such a game changer. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the legendary Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, a strategic bomber that has been a mainstay of the U.S. Air Force since 1955. With nearly 7 decades of dedicated service, this iconic aircraft is now poised for a significant upgrade that will keep it operational well into the future, possibly up to a full century. This remarkable longevity and adaptability make the B-52 a fascinating subject. So let's dive deep into its rich history, the upcoming updates, and the reasons why this aircraft remains an indispensable asset to the U.S. Air Force. The B-52 Stratofortress first took to the skies in February 1955, marking the beginning of a new era in strategic bombing for the U.S. Air Force. Designed to replace the Convair B-36 Peacemaker, the B-52 quickly became an iconic symbol of American air power. Its development was driven by the need for a long-range, high-speed bomber capable of delivering nuclear and conventional payloads anywhere in the world. Over the years, the B-52 has undergone numerous updates and modifications to enhance its capabilities and extend its service life. From the original B-52A model, introduced for testing purposes, to the B-52H model currently in service, each variant has brought improvements in performance, avionics, and weapon systems. This continuous evolution has allowed the B-52 to remain relevant through multiple generations of military aviation technology. The aircraft played pivotal roles during the Cold War, serving as a key component of the United States' nuclear deterrent strategy. It was heavily used in the Vietnam War, where it conducted carpet bombing campaigns that had a significant impact on the conflict. The B-52 also saw action in the Gulf War, where its long-range strike capability proved invaluable, and in more recent conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq, where it continued to demonstrate its versatility and effectiveness. Throughout its service, the B-52 has set multiple speed and distance records, showcasing its impressive performance characteristics. It holds records for the longest non-stop flight by a jet aircraft and for the highest number of air-to-ground ordnance dropped in a single mission. These achievements highlight the B-52's enduring legacy as one of the most capable and reliable aircraft in the history of military aviation. Today, the B-52 fleet is showing its age, with mission-capable rates dropping below 60%. The aircraft, while still formidable, faces challenges in maintaining operational readiness and efficiency. The advancing age of the B-52s means that maintenance costs are rising, and the availability of spare parts for older systems is becoming increasingly difficult. To address these issues and maintain its strategic edge, the U.S. Air Force is undertaking a comprehensive modernization project valued at $48.6 billion. This modernization plan is a multifaceted effort to update the B-52H and ensure its operational relevance for decades to come. It includes not only the introduction of the new B-21 Raider stealth bomber, which will complement the B-52 in future operations, but also a thorough overhaul of the B-52 itself. The goal is to enhance the aircraft's capabilities, improve its reliability, and reduce operational costs, thereby extending its service life well into the future. The modernization project focuses on several key areas: upgrading avionics and communication systems, integrating new radar and navigation equipment, improving defensive systems, and, most significantly, replacing the aging engines. These upgrades are essential to maintaining the B-52's effectiveness in a rapidly evolving threat environment and ensuring that it can continue to perform a wide range of missions. Central to this modernization effort is the replacement of the B-52's original Pratt and Whitney TF-33 engines. Introduced in the early 1960s, these engines were groundbreaking at the time, providing the necessary power and performance to meet the strategic demands of the era. However, after more than 5 decades of service, they have become increasingly costly to maintain and are less efficient than modern engines. Enter the Rolls-Royce F-130 engines, quieter, more reliable, and significantly more fuel efficient. These new engines will be a game changer for the B-52H, addressing many of the issues associated with the older TF-33 engines. The Rolls-Royce F-130 engines are part of the Commercial Engine Replacement Program, with $2.6 billion allocated for their development and integration. The F-130 engines are expected to provide several key benefits. Improve fuel efficiency, which will extend the aircraft's range and reduce operating costs. Enhance reliability, which will decrease maintenance requirements and increase mission-capable rates. And reduce noise levels, which will make the B-52 less detectable and more suitable for modern combat environments. In addition to the engine replacement, the project includes upgrading associated subsystems such as engine struts, nacelles, and the electrical power generation system. These components are critical to ensuring that the new engines integrate seamlessly with the existing airframe and systems, providing a comprehensive improvement to the aircraft's overall performance. The first ground and flight tests of the upgraded B-52, now to be called the B-52J, are expected by late 2028. The overall cost of the engine replacement program is estimated to be between $11 billion and $15 billion. Once complete, these upgrades will extend the operational life of the B-52J until at least 2060, making it one of the longest-serving aircraft in military history. To understand why the B-52 remains so vital, we need to look back to the post-World War II era. The U.S. Air Force needed a strategic bomber with a long operational range to assert its global superpower status, particularly against the Soviet Union. Boeing's designs, evolving from the Model 462 to the 464, ultimately led to the B-52 we know today. This adaptability has ensured the B-52's relevance for nearly 7 decades. Let's delve into some of the technical details that make the B-52H such an enduring aircraft. The B-52H boasts a wingspan of 185 feet, a length of 159 feet, and stands 40 feet high. It has a maximum takeoff weight of just over 220 tons, including a payload capacity of around 32 tons and a fuel capacity of approximately 48,000 gallons. Powered by 8 Pratt & Whitney TF-33 turbofan engines, the B-52H can reach a maximum speed of 650 miles per hour and has a cruising speed of 500 miles per hour. Its impressive combat range without refueling is about 8,800 miles. Now, let's compare the Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines with the new Rolls-Royce F-130 engines. The TF-33 engines, introduced in the 1960s, were groundbreaking at the time, but have become costly to maintain and are not as fuel efficient by modern standards. The F-130 engines, on the other hand, are expected to be quieter, more reliable, and significantly more efficient, reducing maintenance costs and improving overall performance. The B-52J will also feature cutting-edge digital enhancements. One notable upgrade is the new Combat Network Communications Technology, or CONNECT. This system will enhance the aircraft's communication capabilities, allowing for real-time data sharing and improved coordination with other military assets. The B-52's adaptability has been a key factor in its longevity. Throughout its service, it has been modified for various roles, from high-altitude bombing to low-altitude precision strikes. During the Cold War, the B-52 played a crucial role in Operation Chrome Dome, where bombers equipped with thermonuclear weapons were kept on airborne alert near the Soviet Union's northern border. This operation highlighted the B-52's strategic importance and its ability to deliver nuclear payloads over long distances. In more recent conflicts, the B-52 has demonstrated its versatility in conventional warfare. It was extensively used in bombing campaigns during the Vietnam and Gulf Wars, as well as in airstrikes against ISIS and Taliban targets. The planned upgrades will further enhance its capabilities, making it even more adaptable to modern military needs. In summary, the B-52 Stratofortress is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of American military innovation and resilience. With the upcoming upgrades, the B-52J will continue to serve as a critical asset to the U.S. Air Force, demonstrating that even after 70 years, this legendary bomber still has a lot of life left in it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on military technology and aviation history. Until next time.